Welcome to the Center on the Social and Emotional Foundations for Early Learning website. This is often referred to by its acronym, CSEFEL. As you can see in the introductory paragraph, CSEFEL has been funded by two national sources, the Office of Head Start and the Child Care Bureau, with the mission to promote social emotional development and school readiness through research and evidence-based practices for children from birth to age 5. For our purposes, we will focus on the resources for infants and toddlers. Many of the resources are available in Spanish. The framework for CSEFEL is the pyramid model, which supports an effective workforce, ways to create nurturing and responsive relationships, supporting high-quality supportive environments, how to implement targeted social emotional supports, as well as, when needed, intensive interventions. For more information, you can view the pyramid model presentation by clicking here. We will be providing a brief overview of just a few of the many free resources available to you on this site. After this, you may want to spend some more time exploring on your own. The 3 infant-toddler training modules provide a strong foundation for understanding early social emotional development. There are video clips, PowerPoint slides, activities, and handouts. For your own knowledge, download the module scripts and read the presenter notes. These are very informative. While you are in the training module section, take a look at the infant-toddler parent modules, known as Parents Interacting with Infants, or PIWI. You will find some wonderful information for partnering with families of very young children here. The What Works briefs provide short, 2-page written handouts on a wide variety of topics. Each topic includes an expanded version for more in-depth information. Look at Brief 23, Understanding Temperament in Infants and Toddlers, and Brief 24, Attachment What Works, for specific infant-toddler focus. Don't forget to also look at the family tools. There are a variety of topic-specific handouts. Who won't be interested in reading Responding to Your Child's Bite? These may not be appropriate to just print and hand to parents. Be creative. Use portions during home visits with families, or add parts to a newsletter. For your professional development, take a look at the resources from 0 to 3. These are also excellent to share with families. We hope you will enjoy exploring the CSEFEL website.